In this guide, I will show you how to open unicredit account online. So friends, if you want to open account, follow me in this video guide. Go to Google, search for unicredit account opening. Click the first result here. When you click on the first result, you will see this page. Click this one, guys. You should be translated to English to understand this keyword. Click this one. And then from here, when you click this keyword, click open account. And then click find more, and then from here click open account. As I say, choose this one, find more. After that, scroll down, click request this one right now, and then you will see this page. Just wait, you will see unicredit page. Genius, this page. After that, friends, click continue. You should have 18 years old. Click this one, apply. This is for apply. After that, friends, when you click apply, choose this one for me, click this icon, and then from here write your all details, such your username, and your write your all details here, such your name and your text code, and then add your surname here. Click I have ready term and conditions. After that, upload your ID to complete your verification to open your account. Thanks friends for watching this video. I hope this guide helpful for you. See you on another video soon. Don't skip like and share this video.